If you're a DIY and you haven't got these two little tools, I guarantee you one day you're going to kick yourself. And the great thing about them is they're super bloody cheap. But what the hell are they? Now, there's probably at least one time when you've experienced it, if not you definitely will in the future, there's going to be that certain screw that you need to put in that's slightly out of reach. And it might be in a tight space, so you need a dumpy screwdriver. Or maybe you just can't get both arms in there and you need to stretch. You know, when you're stretching, you try to keep the screw on the end. Oh, fuck's sake. I know sometimes you do get magnetized ends, but they're never really that good. And sometimes they just run out of magnetism, don't they? So instead of it just falling off like that, you get one of these, pop it on the end, and then all of a sudden, look, that's quite vigorous. I'm sure the ones with the black ends, they're the magnetic ones normally, but that one's got no magnetic. And then what you can do, you put that on, it is magnetic, and then if you take it off, it is still magnetic, but not as strong. Here's just a normal screwdriver. If we do the same thing, it doesn't work. So you can basically recharge your magnetic poles. But apparently this is 10 times stronger than one of these. It is slightly magnetized. I cannot pick this up. But if I put this on, there you go. And the good thing about these, even though they've got a hex shape in them, they'll go over your round screwdrivers and they'll go over your impact driver bits. You will need to get slightly longer ones, but they'll work really good. These magnetic driver bits are brand new. Have a look, can't pick it up. Put one of them, yes. How about all that IKEA furniture that you build? You get these little Allen keys, I think they're 6mm. That's not magnetic, but get one of these, pop it on, it fits, magnetic. Amazing. I got 3 in a packet. There is a link in the description if you're interested. You can get branded ones, but they look pretty much exactly the bloody same. Now there is one problem. Stainless steel. Stainless steel isn't magnetic like other metals. That is where this bad boy comes in handy. All you got to do is slide it on. Get your stainless steel screw. Back this off a little bit. Put your screw in. Push it forwards, and then it holds it. Remember this, it's not magnetic, but you can get one of these. These are a magnetizer, demagnetizer, depending on what hole you put it through. If I put it through there, then it turns it magnetic. I just thought these were too good not to share. As soon as I saw them, I bought them. I thought they'd come in proper handy one day. I need to warn you though, keep your packets, because if you chuck these in your toolbox without any packets on, fuck me.